Hey doing guys, Chris here from Divergent Drones. Are you looking for that perfect drone to fit any budget? Well, we got you covered. In this three-part series, we'll go from $50 to $5,000. Starting off here in part 1, the Hubsan 107D Plus, which is part of the H4 series, is a great beginner drone. This handheld drone averages for about $59 and is perfect for your first-time drone owner. Another great beginner drone is the Dji Tello. This is great for school children because this comes with STEM projects. It's easy to fly and there's 3 different types that have light shows incorporated. Starting at $99, it's a pretty good deal, but it doesn't come with a controller. You have to use your phone. The controller is an additional $39, so keep that in mind when purchasing. Still a beginner drone, but stepping up in quality, you've got the Holy Stone HS-175. It has a 4K camera with a single axis gimbal, about 1,000 feet of range, and it starts about $199. The best bargain, I think, is the Dji Mini Se. This is a scaled down version of the Mini 2. It comes with a 2.7K camera, undeniable quality, and 3-mile range. You can get in the door at $299 with this drone. Just released a few months ago, the Hubsan Xeno Mini Se, very similar to the Dji Mini Se, has the same features but longer flight time and about a $50 increase in price. If you like to travel, I recommend the sub 250 gram drones. If you want to try something different from camera drones, you can get yourself an FPV racing drone. The Geprc Tiny Go kit is the perfect introduction to FPV. This kit can easily be reused to expand to other drones. Next up, we have the Dji Mini 2. This is quite simply the best bang for your buck. A 4K 30 frames per second camera, 30 minutes of flight time, obstacle avoidance on the bottom, and unmatched reliability. The Dji Mini 2 is the perfect pick for anybody starting off in the drones. And during the holiday season, you're bound to find a good deal. Next up is the Parrot Anafi. This is a sub 500 gram drone. This is a great little drone that's been recently reduced from $759 to $499. In terms of savings, this is a great deal. Well, that was our picks for $50 to $500. Stay tuned for part 2 where we go into $500 to $1,000. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe.